Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we see how to decrease stitches in your project. So going to be doing that in this flat project. I've put 17 starting chain and then I worked back 16 each time. So right now I've got 16 stitches. We will decrease one stitch right in the middle of this project and see how that works. Alright, so I have got this yarn, any yarn that was lying around, and I made these couple of rows, 16 stitches in each row. It's a single crochet, so we'll be seeing how a single crochet decrease looks like. So I've chained one, turned my project, and I chain up to the point where I want to decrease my stitches. Okay. So what I want to do is decrease only one stitch, right? So I'll be making in this row 15 stitches finally after the decrease. So right now each row has 16 stitches. I want to make one decrease, bringing the number of total stitches to 15. So I've got a single loop on my hook and I will decrease over here. I will decrease these two stitches into one. I'm holding my working yarn over here, single loop on the hook, and then I insert my hook here like so, but I do not yarn over and make it into a single stitch. I insert my hook again into the next stitch and then I simply yarn over and pull through 3 loops, right? We'll do this again and see how it works. So a single crochet, you do a yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That is a single crochet. When you're trying to decrease the size of your project, you're trying to decrease the number of stitches. So I'll be doing a single crochet decrease, which means that these two stitches will now become one. Single loop on my hook, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on my hook. I remain like so, all right? And I go through another stitch, yarn over, pull through till I've got 3 loops on my hook. I yarn over and pull through all 3. You can see the difference between the single crochet here and then the decrease that has happened. So 1, 2, 3. You've got 3 loops that is visible, right? And we come back and take another pass and we see how we decrease further. This project will now start to change shape and start tapering because I'm going to decrease further. So I've reached the end of the row, I yarn over, turn my project. You can see it's bunching up over here where I've made a decrease. So I come back and make another decrease. Decrease in any kind of stitch, single crochet, double, treble, or any other kind of stitch that you're working on essentially looks like the same. There are other ways of decreasing. This is for absolute beginners. Easy to do and easy to follow. So I'm going to do a decrease over here. So if you can see, there's a bit of a bunch here where I've made the decrease in the last row. So I will make another decrease over here. So single loop on my hook. I insert the hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops. But I don't yarn over and pull through to make a single chain because I'm decreasing. I keep these 2 loops on my hook. Again, I insert my hook in the chain, yarn over and pull through, bringing essentially 3 loops on the hook. Don't make these tight stitches, otherwise your decrease is going to be very tight, right? So try and see if the height of the loops can remain the same. I yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to make a decrease. Right? So this is how a decrease is made. We'll count the number of stitches. In 2 rows we've decreased 1 stitch each. So right now it must be 14 stitches and we'll see if we've done the right job. Come back for another tutorial on invisible decrease. But as a beginner this works perfectly fine. So should not be an issue. So you can see now that it's turning into a little bit of U shape over here because we know we have made 2 decreases in these rows, right? So we count through 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, right? So 2 decreases in 2 rows. The project is starting to bunch in the middle because we know that we've made 1 decrease in each row, and that is how a single crochet decrease looks like. I hope you learned something new. Bye.